Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious vermicelli baklava, step by step. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of vermicelli, 1 cup of melted butter, 2 cups of mixed nuts, and 2 cups of sugar for the syrup. We'll also prepare a simple syrup with 2 cups of water, 2 cups of sugar, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Make sure your vermicelli is completely thawed and gently separated for easy layering. Now, let's assemble our baklava layers. Begin by generously brushing a 9 by 13 inch baking pan with plenty of melted butter. This prevents sticking and adds flavor. Next, take about half of your separated vermicelli and press it firmly and evenly into the bottom of the buttered pan. Then, sprinkle a generous, even layer of your finely chopped nuts, perhaps walnuts or pistachios, over the vermicelli. Finally, cover the nuts with the remaining vermicelli, pressing down gently to create a compact layer. Before baking, it's crucial to cut your baklava into your desired shapes, such as diamonds or squares. This allows the syrup to penetrate evenly after baking. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the baklava for about 45 to 50 minutes, or until it turns a beautiful golden brown. Immediately after removing it from the oven, pour the completely cooled simple syrup evenly over the hot baklava. The temperature difference helps the baklava absorb the syrup perfectly. The final, and perhaps most important, step is patience. Allow your vermicelli baklava to cool completely at room temperature for at least 4 to 6 hours, or even overnight. This cooling period is essential for the syrup to fully absorb and for the baklava to set, achieving that perfect crisp yet tender texture. Before serving, you can garnish it with a sprinkle of additional chopped nuts, like pistachios, for an extra touch of elegance and flavor. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.